This is our brand new Edge Align light pad. Crafters use light pads for a lot of different purposes, whether they're using it to kind of set their layout, trace something. It's a great tool for weeding vinyl after you've cut it. But one thing that we've found when using these light pads is they usually look something like this. First of all, they're often not the perfect 12 by 12 size that crafters use all the time in our industry, but they also are completely flat. And so ours, as the title dictates, notes, is the Edge Align light pad, which means it has this great raised edge with these nice measurements, similar to like one of our scoreboards might have. So when I turn this on, you can see it has a nice glow. I can increase or decrease depending on what I'm trying to do. These buttons right here. It also comes with some really handy templates. This is a circle template. You can see has that circle grid on it. This is just regular grid. So you could put that underneath and then you can put your paper on there and again, do whatever you want to do with it.